To remove a printhead on a Canon MX922 and similar models, what we'll do is we're going to open the scanner unit and then open the cartridge area. And when the carriage unit will slide to the middle, we're going to just pull the cord in the back without powering off the printer. So we have turned off the printer by pulling the cord. The reason I did it because here first we'll need to remove the ink cartridges. So the ink cartridges are out, and to remove the print head we have an obstruction right here. So that's the reason we have the printer unplugged. So we can just manually slide it over to the right, pull this front area, this bar right here that has the sticker with the ink cartridges. We're going to pull it towards us. And we're going to just pull this one down for easy access. And let me show you how to remove the print head itself. So this is the print head right here. We're just going to pull the back side up. Sorry, it's a bit hard to see, but you see how I'm pulling it a little bit slanted. Pulled front, and then we just pull it out easily. Then to put it back in is the way out. The reason I'm pulling this print head out is it just needs cleaning. The report looks like this. It's not good. I'm just going to manually clean it because I don't think it's just going to drain a lot of ink if I do it with the printer, and it may not do the job. I'm just going to soak it for a few hours in a cleaning solution. So to put the print head back, also in this position, holding by the middle here, this will apply to all basically 250 and 270 ink cartridges. And we're going to do it slowly without jamming anything. Just a little push at the end there. Seems like it's sitting back in there. Close it back in. It looks like the printer is back in there. So you can put the ink cartridges back, or just wait for it. Turn the printer back on by plugging it in, and that's basically how to remove the print head from the MX922 and similar models. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.